Hello everyone! Today's video is all about discussing the requirements to be complied by a ship under marpol Annex 5. First, marpol Annex 5 regulations for the prevention of pollutions by garbage from ships. We all know that trash is one of the most dangerous pollution in the sea, which can float for years. Fish and other marine mammals can be affected of this pollution because sometimes they are mistaken the plastic for food and they can also trap by plastic ropes, nets, bag. Marpol Annex 5 generally prohibits the discharge of all garbage into the sea, except as provided otherwise in Regulation 4, 5, and 6 of the Annex, which are related to food waste, cargo residues, cleaning agents, and additives and animals' carcasses. The first I discuss is a food waste requirements to be discharged without violation. There are two types of food waste. First is a food waste comminuted or ground, and the second is food waste not comminuted or ground. The first I discuss is food waste comminuted or ground. Can be discharged outside of the special area within 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. And if the ship is on the special area, then it can be discharged 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. The second I discussed is food waste not comminuted or ground. Can be discharged outside of the special area within 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, while the ship is en route. And ships within a special area is not allowed to be discharged. The special area established under Annex 5 are the Mediterranean Sea area, the Baltic Sea area, the Black Sea area, the Red Sea area, the Gulf area, the North Sea area, and the wider Caribbean region and the Antarctic area. The next I discuss is cargo residues. There are two types of cargo residues. First is the not contained in wash water and contained in wash water. Both of that are allowed to be discharged outside of the special area within 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. Cargo residues contained in wash water can be discharged in special area within 12 nautical miles nearest from land. But the residues not contained in water cannot be allowed to discharge in special area. The next I discuss is carcasses of animals carried on board as cargo in which died during the voyage. It will be allowed to discharge in outside of the special area as far from the nearest land. The next I discuss is carcasses of animals carried on board as cargo and which died during the voyage. It will be allowed to discharge in outside of the special area as far from the nearest land, and the ship is en route but the special area is not allowed to be discharged. The next I discuss is garbage management plan. All ships of 100 gross tonnage and above, every ship certified to carry 15 persons or more, and every fixed or floating platforms must carry a garbage management plan on board, which includes written procedure for minimizing, collecting, storing, processing, and disposing of garbage, including the use of the equipment on board.